Okay, so what we got here is a BMW i4 full electric 2023, and it is now installed with the Ghost to Immobiliser system. So if you try and steal this vehicle, so as you can see, it will turn on, but you can't put it into gear. As you can see, the car shuts down. It does not go into gear. So when you get in the vehicle, you'll need to enter your code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 2 indicator flashes. That lets you know the system has been disarmed, and now, as you can see, it stays in gear. So now you can drive the vehicle. If you want the Ghost 2 installed on your vehicle to protect you from being stolen, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.